So, hello everyone, John here. Well, in the previous video we were talking about radians and degrees as units of angle measurement. Now, in this video we want to talk about some common degrees some common angles in degrees and radians. You're going to have to use these in basically calculus. So let's get started. Just to remind you of what we did before, and we're going to need this here now as well. We had two formulas there, so it was basically 1 radian was equal to we just came across a formula that was 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees, which was approximately equal to 57.3 degrees, which is not important here right now. And let's call it formula number 1. Number 2 was 1 degree was equal to pi by 180 radians, which is equal to approximately equal to 0.017 radians. Let's write that down as well, 0.017 radians. So I apologize for my handwriting. My handwriting and paper is not so it's not like this, but you basically need some time to get used to this pen. This is a digital pen, and these digital pens, you just need to know, you just need to learn how to write with them. So anyway, now we have some common angles that we use in calculus, like 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, and so on. And you need to be able to know what those angles are in radians as well. So this way you'll be much faster in calculation and solving problems. So in order to do that, I'm going to create a little table over here. Excuse me. So let's say this is in this the top row is in degrees, and the bottom row is in radians. And let's start with, let me do this as well. So yes, ouch, I guess that's enough. So you have 0 degrees, so 0 degrees, basically 0 radians. And you have 30 degrees, which is pi by 6 radians. And this is basically, I have multiplied 30 into, you know that 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. So 30 degrees would be 30 into pi by 180 radians, and then 30 would be simplified with 180, and you get pi by 6 radians. So then you can use this formula right here, number 2, to convert degrees into radians, and we did that in the previous video as well. Next, we have 45 degrees, which is pi by 4 radians. Next, we have 60 degrees, which would be pi by 3 radians. Then we have 90 degrees, which is pi by 2 radians. Then you have 120 degrees, which is 2 pi by 3 radians. Next we have 135 degrees, which is equal to 3 pi by 4 radians. And 150 degrees, which is 5 pi by 6 radians. Then you have 180 degrees, which is basically pi radians. You have 270 degrees, which is 3 pi by 2 radians. And then you have 360 degrees, which is 2 pi radians. So this is all you need to know about the different common angles. Of course, whenever you, if in any case you don't know you don't know the measure of the angle in radians or in degrees, you can always use these formulas to convert. And so that's it. I'll see you in the next video.